If you want to hide your files like photos, videos, or some documents on the Poco C85, first of all, you have to do this by using the File Manager application, and you can hide whole folders or specific files. Like if I want to only hide these two photos, I can just select them and click more in the right bottom corner and select Make Private. Now I have to click here to make these files private. I have to set a password, the privacy protection password. I have to input it twice. Click Next. You can add Show Me account to reset this password if you forget it. And now, as you can see, it's hidden. So if I want to get access into this one, I will have to swipe, release. Okay, we have to go for it. And it's not, okay, so there's some kind of debug. So we have to actually like repeat, make it private. Yeah, make these files private. And now let's pull it down. Let's input the password. And here, as you can see, it's hidden right now.